In 2007, I started Complete Home Exteriors. My dad had retired, moved down from Michigan to help me. 2013, we rebranded as Complete Exteriors, taking the home out of the name as we moved more into the commercial roofing space. In 2025, as we've grown and really focused and specialized on being the best roofing contractor, focusing on customer service and our dedication to craftsmanship and the highest level of roofing in our area, today I announce the rebranding of Complete Exteriors as
10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bingo!
Live elite. Be elite. Think elite.
We are elite roofing and gutters.
Oh, wow.